Okay, let's dive into industrial cleaning. We're putting two heavyweights head to head, laser versus dry ice. Hidden costs from downtime and repairs can seriously eat into your bottom line.
Because effective cleaning isn't just for looks, it's about keeping things running at peak performance. First up, the classic choice, dry ice blasting. It's been the go-to for tough jobs for years.
So what is it? Well, it's basically blasting a surface with tiny pellets of frozen CO2.
The magic word is sublimation. The ice turns straight to gas, blasting away grime with it.
But now, there's a new player in the game, and it offers absolutely incredible precision.
We're talking about laser cleaning. It literally vaporizes rust and paint right off a surface.
This process is called ablation. It zaps only the top layer, leaving the material underneath totally untouched.
All right, so how do these two actually measure up when you put them side by side?
It's simple. Blasting creates debris you have to clean up. Vaporizing leaves almost nothing behind.
Now let's talk about the business case. Notice that trade-off between upfront cost and long-term savings.
And this chart makes it obvious. With no consumables, laser cleaning's running costs are way lower over time.
And when it comes to jobs that demand total precision, well, there's just no competition. So your return on investment comes from real savings and a much, much higher quality finish.
That's why a Chihalo laser isn't just a new tool, it's a smarter, more profitable strategy.
So, the real question is, are you ready to upgrade your business to the future of cleaning?